In this video, we look at how to calculate the number of days between two dates. For some reason, many Microsoft Excel users think calculating the difference between two dates is difficult. It's not when you understand a couple of tricks. Take a look at how to quickly and easily calculate the difference between two dates in Excel.
In this Excel worksheet, we're working with dates. Now, here I have some delivery dates. The first thing I want to know is the difference between these two dates. A lot of people think it's quite complex, but to calculate the difference between two dates, they're already formatted in date format. And a date is simply a number that formats itself in the format that we're used to seeing as a date. So if I were to calculate the difference between the two, I type in equals, I choose the current date, and then I subtract the earlier date. It gives me a difference that is positioned in or created and displays in the format of a date. Now the next thing I need to do is I need to format this as a number. So the quick way to do this is to simply come up here to the number grouping, click and choose general. And you'll see here it's changed to 9 days, and quite clearly you can see the difference. So of course I could fill that down for all of the items I've got there and it would tell me the date difference. So the key thing is people will do the subtraction and end up with something that looks like a date, not realizing that it's simply a formatting change. Let's say I wanted my delivery date to actually be 7 days after the order date. So I can type in equals, I can click on this cell, and then all I need to do is simply put in a +7 to represent the number of days later. And it comes up with the date. Again, I can fill any of these down. So if I wanted to fill that down, I can double click, and because I have data to the left of it, it will copy that formula all the way down. I can do the same here as well, and it will give me the difference. In this case, all of them will be exactly the same because this formula here was the order date +7.
So that's calculating the difference between dates in Excel 365.
Like this tip? Subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below, or check out the short course on how to simplify data analysis in Microsoft Excel. The link's below.